This is the Gravitational Force Interactive Calculator, which solves for gravitational force, individual masses, distance, or the product of two masses using Newton's law of universal gravitation. The calculator has 5 calculation modes in the drop-down menu: calculate gravitational force, calculate mass 1, calculate mass 2, calculate distance, and calculate combined mass. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Calculate Gravitational Force. There are 3 input fields when calculating force. Mass 1 requires the first object's mass in kilograms, like 5.972 E24 for Earth. Mass 2 takes the second object's mass, such as 7.348 E22 for the Moon. Distance requires the separation between the object's centers in meters, like 3.844 E8 meters between Earth and Moon. After clicking Calculate, the Results section displays the calculated gravitational force value. The result details provide a breakdown of the calculation process, showing how the gravitational constant, masses, and distance combine in the formula. The result comparison gives you context by comparing your calculated force to familiar reference forces, helping you understand the magnitude of your result. This tool streamlines gravitational calculations for orbital mechanics, satellite deployment, and planetary science applications. Find the link in the description below.